Engaging with your audience holds significant importance. Viewers are encouraged to leave comments or request tutorials, fostering a vibrant community around the content. There are multiple functionalities designed to enhance user experience, including features for generating subtitles and converting video to text. Such tools broaden content accessibility and cater to diverse audiences. The video provides a comprehensive guide on utilizing the AI dubbing feature. This includes the steps for signing up and selecting videos for translation, ultimately simplifying the creation of multilingual content. Choosing the correct number of speakers is vital for accurate translation. This decision significantly influences how the video is processed and presented. Fortunately, auto-detection can streamline this process. Selecting the original and target languages is critical for translation success. For example, if you wish to convert your video to Hindi, simply select that option. Once the translation is complete, a script is generated for your review and editing. This crucial step allows for content refinement before finalizing the video's output.